Let's talk about naman in this video everything about your dependents for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. Hola, it's your VA Ate in Spain, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about everything that's covering your dependents and ano yung mga rights nila, sino ba yung mga dependents mo, ano yung mga additional documents and stuff like that. So, una sa lahat, sino ba yung mga dependent? So, first of all and foremost, of course, yung spouses. So, if your married partner ay financially dependent sa'yo or not, agad pwede sila maging dependent. And then, of course, unmarried partners are also accepted. This includes the LGBTQ community. And then, of course, yung minor children. And then, financially dependent adult children can also qualify as long as meron kang additional documents na mapapakita na financially dependent sila. And then, of course, financially dependent parents, especially if they are a little bit on the older side na. So, of course, first and foremost, ang magiging additional document mo is the minimum income requirement. So, generally, it will be higher compared kung single applicant ka na. So, for your first dependent, it will be plus 75% of the SMI. So, and then for your second dependent and so on and so forth, plus 25% per each head yun. So, I will flash here on the screen yung breakdown for up to 5 dependents in euros para din you make sure na ayan, hindi mo na kailangan mag-math. And then of course, may extra documentation for each of your dependents depending kung ano yung type of dependent nila. And you can find this actually on the DIY guide that I have on my website. But if yung pinaka plain and simple lang is kailangan of course ng passport nila na valid for 3 years. I would say more if you want kasi of course, if you're gonna be aiming for citizenship, it would be valuable then to be ready na with your passport for renewal and stuff. And then, of course, kailangan ng marriage or birth certificate. And then, depending then if adult ito, kailangan niya ng NBI clearance and medical certificate. And then, of course, kailangan ng mga proof of relationship and proof of partnership for each of your dependents. So, depending kung ano sila, kailangan nung mga proof na yon. And then, of course, yung proof of financial dependence. And then, other than that, I would say it's pretty much straightforward yung pag-add sa kanila sa iyong application.